I just shower her and wash her hair.
Oh my god.
What's wrong? It's broken?
Yeah.
Her sticker is broken and she's not happy. She said, oh. Then it's dinner time at Burger King for the entire fam bam. Yummy tight. What you having, honey?
Steak.
Steak. This one?
Yeah.
And then I'm having steakhouse. Once I come to Burger King, this is what I have.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Feels good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night.
Hey, you forgot me?
No, I didn't
What?
forget you.
What?
But you
What?
need, I didn't forget you, but you need to wait until I'm finished.
Okay, Mama.
How are you guys doing? It's a brand new cloudy day here, but it's not cold at all. It's not even chilly.
It is.
It is chilly to you?
I'm cold every time I need to go in cover. Even to read my D4 book, I needed to go in cover.
I don't think you're
Sarah.
cold, you just need to be cozy. Anyway, you guys, you see what I have in my hand? I have decided to make coconut drops for my presentation at school on Monday. Which was yesterday when you guys watching this. So in 2 vlogs to come, you'll know how that goes. So I hucks out all my coconut. I'm using 2 coconuts because I can't bring all my drops to school. I have to leave some at home. I'm just rinsing off the coconut right now, and then I'm going to cut them up, and I'm going on the road, so I won't start making the drops until later when I come back home, so that they can cool and set overnight, and I package them on Sunday and bring them to school on Monday morning. I have a presentation. I'm presenting on my country, so I'm giving them food and I'm giving them a rundown on food and music and, you know, our mottos and our symbols and all that stuff, everything that have to do with the country. I'll be presenting on. So I decided that I'm going to make them taste something that is not hard to do, or something that don't have to be warm and stuff like that. So I'm going to do coconut drops. So, but I bought white sugar yesterday, but then I'm thinking about it when I come out of the supermarket, like, oh no, I should have bought brown sugar. So I'm going on the road and I'm gonna just pop up to the supermarket and buy brown sugar real quick. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Sarah is home for a nap. Tyler is here waiting to talk to you guys. Baby's outside putting laundry on the line, and when Sarah wake up, we're gonna go on the road. So let's say hello to who is waiting to say hello to you guys for a while. What are you doing? What are you doing, Ty? You are too funny. So I just break the coconut outside and I gave him a piece. He said he doesn't like coconut, so I give him some of the water to drink from the coconut. He said, stop. He said the water is not bad. The water is actually very sweet. So yeah, I'm going to sit down and cut up this coconut, because you know it's going to be a process to cut up. And while I'm cutting them up, I'm going to study in the same time. So,
I can help you study?
no, not when I want you, I'll let you know, okay? But not right now.
Mama,
understand?
Yes, but something came to my mind, and every time something comes to my mind, I want to eat it.
Which is what?
Chocolate.
No, so don't tell me something come to your mind. Just say, Mama, I feel for chocolate. Can I have one, please? If it's a no, it's a no. If it's a yes, it's a yes. It can be one of 2 answers. So don't tell me something come to your mind. If you want something, you ask for it. It can only be one of two things.
Please.
No, not right now. Okay? Maybe later.
Hungry.
You hungry? Have a snack. Chocolate won't make your belly full if you're hungry.
Chocolate with something.
Go and have a snack. And fix the cushion. The zipper part needs to be down.
At the same time, there will be chocolate in the biscuit I will take.
Right, so there you go. If there's chocolate in the biscuit that you take, then that's a win. You get your chocolate and you get a snack. Thinking slick.
No.
Anyway, you guys, I am going to go cut up these coconuts and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. See this boy that love stick out in tongue. Your tongue going to fall out of your head if you keep sticking it out. Stop doing that.
But it's going to fall out of my head for real?
Yes, it's going to fall out of your head for real.
You
If
already
you keep sticking it out.
you know someone that's had that?
And when it fall out of your head, you're going to have to go like this. And put it back in.
Like a frog, right?
Yeah, like when the frog catch the
So
fly.
after I can eat my tongue, munch, 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 munch,
Shh.
munch.
Sister
My tongue
sleeping.
breaks.
Yeah, glasses pick up. Look at Papa. Let's see Papa try his glasses. Ooh, look at you. Let me see. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Wait, Sarah, wait. Wait. Sit beside Mama. You want to sit beside Ty? Tyler, go up some more. She want to sit beside you. Go. I look nice. There's a Mama glasses and Papa glasses. Mama and Papa getting their new glasses. Wow. Ooh.
Oh wow! My turn.
Oui. C'est parfait. Oui. It's different. I choose a different frame this time. So I go from this one to this one. Please. So we got our new glasses and my eye feels so weird because it's new, so I got a round frame this time, changing my style. I feel weird, it's pulling my eye like crazy but I have to get used to it. They feel the same. Look at him. Babe say feel like he's gonna fall. Yeah, cause it's new. New glasses always like they're always like that. But I have to get used to it. We're at the mall. Give it. We're at Carrefour. We're going to pick up just 2 little items. What we coming for again? Babe, what we coming for again? Yes. Coming for sausage and sugar. Oh, international British section. Look at it. As we step in. As we step in. Skip peanut butter. Hot chocolate bounty. That should be interesting. The thing about bounty for me is the coconut in the middle. So I don't see how that's going to be yummy in chocolate. That's not going to have the coconut in the middle. British. Oh my gosh. Animal cracker. I used to grow up on these. This is the animal. Which animal do you see?
Rabbit. Monkey.
I wonder how it tastes. May I go buy it?
Cat.
I like it tastes like the animal cracker that I used to buy growing up. What's this? Look, Sarah. Who is that? Ooh, come out of the way. They're getting married. They're getting married, Sarah.
What gives to do jack-o'-lantern?
Come, let's go. Of course, I cannot come to the mall and Sarah don't come to the slide. This mall have a big slide and Sarah love it. So she's up there sliding, and Tyler and Babe gone to the boy toy store. Ah, look at them. You reach?
Yes, Sarah.
She gone. He's gone. Then it's dinner time at Burger King for the entire fam bam. Yummy tight. What you having, honey?
Steak.
Steak. This one?
Yeah.
And then I'm having steakhouse. Once I come to Burger King, this is what I have. Please. Tell Papa to give a ketchup. Honey, please the ketchup for your pasta. Open it.
Yeah, this doesn't look like it is for...
Dinner time with the family. Trying to get everybody in the frame. The beep beep drive. Drive, Sarah. Yeah. Tyler joined her. Where are you driving to, sir? Hello. Where are you driving to? I was sure he was gonna say something about going to Jamaica. What the point of Jamaica? You're gonna miss the ferry to Jamaica? You're too funny.
Bout de ficelle, bout de ficelle, bout de ficelle, sel. Cheval de course, course à pied, pied. Pied à terre, terre. Terre de feu, feu. Feu follet. Les deux vaches. Quand les glaces. L'eau de trois. Pratissa.
Chapeau paille.
Paillasson, son. Ouvre-moi, ou le chasseur me tuera.
You guys, I love hearing when they're singing together. Look at me. I guess my only way of pulling out my hair these days is in the car on my journey coming from somewhere. I just pull out my braids because I want to go inside and wash my hair. So new hairdo coming up. I got back and accomplished the mission that I set out to do. I washed my hair. And twist it so it can dry tonight into tomorrow. And now I'm in the kitchen. Got my kids ready for bed. but I ended up not putting them to bed. They're watching TV because hey, it's vacation. They can relax a bit. They don't have to stay into routine for the first week. Until the second week I kind of draw them back into the routine of things. But I am in the kitchen. You know what I'm doing? What did I tell you guys earlier that I'm doing? Let's see who have a good memory. I am making my coconut drops. So I'm here gratering the ginger. Let her, I just shower her and wash her hair.
Oh my god.
What's wrong? It's broken?
Yeah.
Her sticker is broken and she's not happy. She said, oh my god. What am I gonna do with this girl?
Mama.
Yes, Mama cannot fix it. It can't fix. It's broken. You're just gonna have to get a new one.
Mama.
Yes. You're gonna get a new one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, coconut is in and the water is just at the top of the coconut. I'm just gonna let this boil a bit before I add the sugar in it. From the 90s, 80s,
70s.
60s.
Like your grandma.
My glasses like this, their own thing.
Wow.
You guys, one of my friends messaged me today and said, Mel, how are you going with the third season of Love is Blind? I'm like, oh dang it, I didn't even remember that come out. Now that I didn't remember,
I watched it yesterday.
liar. Because I don't have the time to watch anything. Somebody's calling and they're gonna have to wait because I'm talking to you guys and trying to end the vlog. Come, let's end the vlog real quick. You guys, my drops, they're finished and they're setting and baby's waiting on one but he's not getting any. So you guys are tip a little rum in it. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
it tastes so good, but my tongue is burning me because the hot sugar with a piece of the coconut on my tongue.
She's a hot mess.
No, that's for you, not for me.
The hot mess. The queen of the hot mess.
Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys
the emperor of the hot mess.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog, which I'm sure you did. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, of course, to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll most
definitely see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
I have to tell her things. Thank you. Thank you.